Hey guys, this is a video I've been dying to make, but I didn't know how to. So I'm always telling people you don't have to sand, you don't have to wet sand, you can just compound your boat. And yet, to say that effectively, you kind of need to do one side of a boat in one way and the other side of the boat in another way. And it's very rare to do that. Nobody wants to take that risk on somebody else's boat or waste the time. Today, however, we got a new hire. And he's a really experienced boat guy, but he comes from a world that I don't. And so we let him kind of, hoist himself by his own petard, I suppose. And if you don't know what that means, it's, we gave him enough rope to hang himself, basically. He's a great guy. We're glad to have him. He's going to work out great. Today is a fun experiment. So I've been working on this guy here. This is a little Cobalt. I'm taking a little Perfected EXAC and a foam pad, and I'm going to compound this entire side. I just started. In fact, I just got up here. Now the other guy, and he's not doing a bad job. I mean, it's shiny, but he's decided to sand the whole thing. Now he's almost done. He's only got about 2 feet to go. This is all that's left, right? Yeah. Just this little piece here? Okay. So let's see. Right now it's 2:45. I'll be back. Alright, so I got right above the Cobalt emblem here, so I'm right about there. Everything's been compounded. Top, the white and the blue. It's a little bit tricky to see, but trust me, it looks alright. This is just the residue from the compound that you're seeing, all the swirls and oils. Let's see how far he's gotten here. Well, it looks like we almost meet each other at the back here, although it looks like, yep, he's got about 5 more inches to go. So, this still hasn't been hit. Anyway, as an argument for sanding or polishing, I guess when it comes down to it, my time's worth a little bit more than what most people think their time is worth. So, I just go ahead and compound it and don't worry about it. And in the time that it's taken him to go 2 feet, I've gotten this. So if you need any further information as to what's more efficient and what works best, I don't know, watch this again. That could help. All right, so I'm already waxing this. This is almost done. I've got a little bit more wax from here back. Hey, where's he at? Oh, yeah, still there, still in the corner. Still working. So yeah, if you guys want to sand your boats, feel free. I'm sure it's much more efficient in some way or aspect. Or no, don't do that. Just grab one of these and then grab some of that and then do this. Why would you? Come on, seriously? Does anyone want to do that? That is so bothersome and tedious. Yuck. Anyway, I'll be done with this in about 15 minutes, so check. Now, if you're wondering how long this stuff lasts, the stuff that I do, watch the video that I just posted. That boat was a boat that I had done a year previous, so you be the judge. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it real.